Mag-break na tayo.
Ano palang course nyo?
Kaso kaso para mas bet kung mag-criminal.
Nasaan na ba si Nadia?
Taga na nga, punta na natin yun.
I believe that it's one of her friends.
I didn't kill her. I just want her to stay quiet.
Are you cheating? Saan galing to? The teacher must learn.
No, please, don't tell anyone or do anything you want.
What's your chance? You said you want to kill her.
No, I was just joking that time. Maniwala kayo.
Huwag mong isusumbong si Maven. Kundi magkakagulo tayo.
Yes, nag-away kami before, pero hindi ko siya kayang patayin. Patay mo na nga yung video.
Happy ka na ba? That scholarship was mine. That Captain Ball was mine. Bakit ka naman kinuha mo?
Wala akong kinuha. You lost it yourself.
You lost it yourself pala, Ganun na dapat sa'yo.
Wala akong ginawa, officer. I love her. Hindi ko siya kayang patayin. I didn't kill her.
Ba't di ka tumulit sa ate mo? She's perfect.
Hindi mo na, you hated your sister.
Wala akong aaminin dahil wala akong ginawa.
At ikaw, secretly hated her before, right?
She always did everything until now.
She didn't listen.
I didn't kill her. I swear to God.
Ito ang gusto ng lahat.
She's dead.
You also have connection to her.
Did you kill her?
You think, officer?
No, not me.
No!
Make a guess, officer.
I don't know.
Any of us could have done it.